You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing food names that many mispronounce, including Spanish food names, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. In Spanish, this is said as paella, paella. Yes, double L comes down to the sound of a Y, essentially. Paella. I know many in English say it as paella, but no L sound when there's a double L in Spanish. Paella, paella. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.